This is how to create old vintage picture image in Adobe Photoshop CC. First, you want to go to camera raw filter underneath filter. If you don't have this, click on your image, rasterize. Make sure that underneath the settings, camera raw filter. Basically, as you can see, just adjusting the settings like so. And now basically you want to make this right here, the image picture or photo, look black and white. I'll leave all the settings right here on the screen. And now basically under you do that, go to image, adjustments, and you can even desaturate. Next we want to drag this vintage piece of paper right here, and then we can overlay it so it looks like that. I like linear burn, or you can do overlay. We're going to change this to 50. I like that, and then we're going to add another vintage paper. Let's say soft light, change this to 50. Then now you want to click on image, go to image, and then go to filter, and then go to noise, and then add noise. And you can add some noise just depending on how much you want to add. Let's see, 10% looks good. Go back to image, adjustments, and add a bunch of contrast that you want on your image. And then now go underneath to here, and go to gradient map. Just making this so it looks a little bit of the color. As you see, it's color gray, and this is the before. And this is the after.